Everyone, in today's video we will see how to use S Pen as camera remote on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, shutter and remote setup. So the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra S Pen does not support Bluetooth or air action, so it cannot be used as camera remote. Samsung officially removed Bluetooth functionality from the S Pen on the camera S25 Ultra, which means remote camera shutter control is not longer available. Why this S Pen camera remote feature does not work? So previously Galaxy S25 Ultra model including a Bluetooth enabled S Pen that allowed users to take photo remotely, start or stop video recording, switch between cameras, control presentations and media playback. However, the Galaxy S25 Ultra S Pen does not include Bluetooth hardware. So these remote features are not supported. Alternate way to take photos remotely. Use palm gesture. Open the camera app, tap settings icon, enable show palm. Position yourself in the front of the camera, then raise your palm towards the camera. The phone will start a countdown and automatically capture the photo. Then use voice command. You can also take photos using the voice. Then open the camera app and go to settings. Now turn on voice command and say smile, cheese, capture, shoot. The camera will automatically take a picture. Now you can use a Galaxy Watch. If you own a Galaxy Watch, you can use the camera control features to remotely trigger the camera from your wrist. Then use a Bluetooth camera remote. A third-party Bluetooth camera shutter remote can also be paired with the Galaxy S25 Ultra for hands-free photograph. So, goodbye and thanks for watching.